250 kilowatts motor on receipt. View of the blower motor. The driving end coupling is seen with excessive grease contaminant. Blower motor's terminal plate. The main motor's terminal plate. Close-up view of the winding on the non-connection end. View of the connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the connection end is seen with carbon dust and lumps of contaminated grease. The main rotor. View of the blower motor's stator. Close-up view of the winding is seen with droplets of contaminated grease. View of the driving end after the rotor is inserted in the stator. Assembly in progress. View of the non-driving end. New bearings fitted on the non-driving end. New bearings fitted on the connection end. We only use SKF bearings. We don't use crude tools for fitting the bearings. The terminal plate fitted. Blower fan fitted. 250 kilowatts motor tested, painted and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.